Alright, what's going on, guys? So just locked in profit on JDSC. I've honestly just been trying to have fun with it. Volatility is extremely high. This is not something that I would at all recommend for someone that is just getting started or that's not the best at risk management. With great volatility comes great responsibility, and trust me, you don't need a lot of money to make money, and you definitely don't need a lot of money to lose money, and a decent amount just because of how quickly it moves. So if you're only thinking about the profit and not ever thinking about the risk involved, this is just something that I don't think that you are ready for. But I saw an opportunity. I saw it began to change directions. I've been really having fun with it. So it hasn't been anything crazy. You guys can see that my position sizes have been anywhere from, very, very small during, the live trading session to when I saw a little bit more of a clear direction of it being a little bit more on the bullish side. I was pretty much trading with 600 shares to 800 shares, which pretty much amounts to what differentiates from around like $4,000 to about $6,000, and I made $815. My biggest one was the one that I first did where I sold 800 shares, and I made pretty much, I think, $400 to $500, almost 10%, literally within 2 to 3 minutes. So I had a lot of fun all together on the day. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I'm absolutely done. I'm up $2,368.87. A total of 58 orders. My last one at 10:23. My first one at 6:38. I had an absolute blast trading with the Learn Plan Profit team. I closed out all my positions, and there's a lot of news that is expected to be shared today. So I'm not holding anything overnight. I don't know if you guys saw the video that I uploaded. I was listening to music, sorry about that. There was a video I uploaded yesterday. If you guys haven't checked it out, I explain and break down in detail, like I've never done before, about my $100,000 investing plan and what I'm waiting for. So if you haven't checked that out of every video on my YouTube right now, this has to be the most relevant one. So make sure you watch that and make sure that you drop a like once you watch it. But altogether, very excited with how the day played out. Again, every day is not like this. Yesterday, I made a little bit over $1,200. Last week on Friday, I made over $2,700. The day before that, I made over $4,000. The day before that, I made over $3,000. The market with, again, great volatility comes great responsibility, and you need to learn how to walk before you run. So yeah, day trading is very lucrative right now. But again, if you don't have, in a sense, the best practices or the overall methods on how to take advantage of this opportunity and also how to manage a risk, I don't think that you are ready for it. But on the investing side, the market did pull back quite a bit today, and then it began to recover. But now with this, expected news to be announced, pretty much what I am waiting for is there's just so much talk right now, which I am not here to spread any form of speculation, but I just want to make sure that if you have an open position and you're not aware of this, that it's something that you at least look a little bit more into and take into consideration. Italy put into lockdown. We've heard certain cities within the United States have been put into a 2-week mandatory lockdown. And if we announce, or not we, but if Trump announces that there's going to be a US lockdown, I don't know how the market's going to react. I don't know what to expect. Is the market going to aggressively sell off because of it, or is that a positive notion in which that should drive the price up? Altogether, because of the speculation and because of the unknown direction, I think it's best, when in doubt, pull out, right? So if you don't have an open position and you're unaware of what could potentially happen, I just would rather close out all my positions day by day, take advantage of opportunities within intraday, right? Make the most of it and then close it out. Once direction becomes a little bit more clear, trust me, myself, just like anyone else, wants the market to recover. I want all this hype and all this negative connotation of the coronavirus to be gone. I'm ready, right? We are all ready for the recovery, but as of now, we have no proper indication. We're still selling off. We're still making lower lows. So again, my number one thing that I'm focusing on right now is direction. And right now, there is no indication of consistent growth. So because of that, I am, sitting on my hands. I'm trying to stay as patient as possible. And I would encourage you to look a little bit more into what is going on and to challenge yourself to do the same. Again, nothing in life worth having will ever come easy, and the stock market is no exception. Let's do our part in staying patient, staying disciplined, only taking advantage of opportunities that are worth it to us, and enjoying the process. I had a lot of fun trading today. Again, I'm excited to trade tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be the crude oil report. So if you guys want to tune on in for the crude oil report and be able to watch me trade live, tomorrow I'm going to be trading live for about an hour with the Learn Plan Profit group. Click that second link down below, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit group, see what we have to offer, and see if it's a good fit for you. So I really do appreciate your guys' time. I wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. Today is March 17th. Let's stay patient. Let's enjoy the process and allow that opportunity to present itself. I hope that you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to join our free investing group, which is the first link down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.